Congo's army said rebels in the country's east shot down a United Nations helicopter carrying 8 peacekeepers and UN observers on Tuesday, and the UN said there were no survivors. The helicopter was carrying out reconnaissance for the UN peacekeeping mission in the Democratic Republic of the Congo along with another helicopter when it was attacked, according to a statement from Congo's army. The UN peacekeepers on the helicopter were assessing the movements of communities that had been attacked by a rebel group in order to coordinate humanitarian assistance. The M23 rebel group on Monday attacked several villages, including Tchanzu, Runyonyi, Ndiza and Tchengerero, according to the statement. UN spokesman Stephane Dujarric said later that a search and rescue operation found the wreckage and there were no survivors. The bodies of the 8 men were brought to Goma, Eastern Congo's largest city, he said. We convey our condolences to the governments and families of the 6 crew members from Pakistan and the 2 military staff from Russia and Serbia, Dujarric said. An investigation into the circumstances of the crash is underway. Earlier, Dujarric confirmed the helicopter was there to monitor the situation where there had been fighting, but asked for patience as to the cause of its crash. Pakistan's military issued a statement with the names of the 6 officers and soldiers on the helicopter, saying they have embraced martyrdom. Pakistan has always played a pivotal role as responsible member of the international community to help realize ideals of global peace and security through UN peacekeeping missions, the statement said. Eastern Congo is prone to insecurity. By Congolese and United Nations forces. Despite ongoing efforts to disarm the group, M23 rebels have recently increased their attacks in the region. UN Special Representative for Congo Bintou Keita told the UN Security Council on Tuesday that the security situation in Congo has, since December, deteriorated despite military operations carried out by the Congolese security and defense forces under the state of siege. Civilian deaths and displacements have increased, she said, primarily due to bloody reprisals by the Allied Democratic Forces rebels against civilians living in the North Kivu and Ituri provinces. In the past 3 months, we have seen an alarming increase in activities by the M23 rebel movement in North Kivu, including Monday's attacks targeting civilians in communities near Rutshuru, she said. New fighting is also taking place in the 3 border region, near the border town of Bunagana.